Okay, class, today's math lesson is about fractions. Doesn't that sound exciting?
No.
Well, fractions are very important. Fractions tell you how much of the whole unit we're looking at. Well, you know what? That's lame. Give me a beat.
Fractions are hard.
They're actually kind of easy.
Follow what I say.
And you'll do it like me.
When you're looking for equivalent fractions, you have several ways to find satisfaction. Don't be a hater.
Change the denominator
Don't be a hater.
and the numerator.
Don't be a hater.
Be a fraction dominator.
If I look for factors, then I divide. Simplest form is what that divides.
But there's another way to find equivalency. Make the denominators match, then it'll be easy.
First you find the multiples.
What's the multiple?
Good question. Let's take a minute to discuss. Then you'll find the multiples of 3. So for 3 they'd be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on forever and a day. When comparing fractions, there's no better way. If I find common multiples of each denominator, I can use it to compare some fractions a little later.
Don't be a hater.
Change the denominator
Don't be a hater.
and the numerator.
Don't be a hater.
Be a fraction dominator.
Found common multiples. Now what do?
Funny you should ask. Let me take you all to school. Find the lowest multiple the denominators share. Make a new denominator as your way to compare.
It may seem complicated,
But it's not that tough.
When equivalent fractions,
Now you'll never get enough. Now you found common multiples and your denominators are the same. The rest is like child's play, like a new mathematics game.
Don't be a hater.
Change the denominator
Don't be a hater.
and the numerator.
Don't be a hater.
Be a fraction dominator. Since we want to be fair and we all play nice, everything we do, we gotta do it twice. If you want to be king of fractionation, you're gonna need total fraction domination. What you do to the denominator,
That's the
you
bottom.
gotta do to the numerator.
That's the top.
Don't stop until you've done every digit.
Look at that 4. You missed it.
Don't be a hater.
Change the denominator
Don't be a hater.
and the numerator.
Don't be a hater.
Be a fraction dominator. Let's go through the steps just one more time. Cause me and my family were running out of rhyme.
First, find the multiple of each denominator
Find the lowest one they share.
and save it for later.
Now rewrite each fraction with this new number. It's so easy, you could do it while you slumber. Now back to the math, it's time to get busy.
What you do to him, you gotta do to me.
With the same denominator, now we're easy to compare. Look at the numerators and you're almost there. When your denominators match, it couldn't be more easy. The bigger the numerator, the bigger the fraction. You see? Fractions are easy. Just a quick shout out to my favorite math homies, Mr. Schmidt's 4th grade class, Mrs. Kotner, Mrs. Strom, this is for you, Mrs. Keenan, Mrs. Reams, you too. This is especially for Mrs. Dellett. Without you guys, I don't want to be a fraction of the teacher that I am. I'm out.